It's 111. It's 111, and today I have a beautiful olive tree. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as my design on the leaves, are my own. Okay, so I already started opening this, but this is the size of the box that it comes in. It's quite large. Now, when you open the box, this is what it looks like. The base of it is wrapped in additional bubble wrap paper. It looks pretty cool. You're definitely going to need a pair of scissors for this part. Okay, so if you have ever put together a faux Christmas tree, it's very similar. You just have to structure the branches how you want them to look. So we're gonna bend this out so it looks like a tree. I'll be back in a jiffy. My mother-in-law is so much better at this game than I am. I think I did a pretty good job with that. It looks really, really nice. I just spread out the leaves, and I really do love the way that this came out. It does come with a decorative pot base. You can set this in something larger if you want something or have something that has a larger footprint. I do love the design on the actual tree itself. It looks like actual tree bark. So that's really nice. And then there's even little olives all over it.
Is that real?
No.
Looks real.
It does look real.